What's up, folks? This is Crypto with James, talking to you today about Ethereum. Huge resistance barrier broke yesterday. I am very, very interested to see what happens. And I will get into that in a second. Before I do, as always, I update the spreadsheet. These were the first 26 coins I talked about on the channel that I thought would absolutely crash it in this bull cycle. Except for Phantom, that was a Udemy course where I said it'd be the best investment of the year. By the way, it's currently up 149x, so not a bad shout. If you'd have invested $100 into each coin that at the time of their release, you'd be in profit for $35,800. Add in your $2,600 investment, and you'd be sitting on $38,400. I've held every single one of these at one point or another. I've closed positions on damn near every single one in profit, and then I've used that money and reinvested it into other cryptos that are set for crazy gains. Excuse me. My portfolio has been built and designed to maximize gains and allows for seriously good opportunities when they present themselves. If you want to see exactly what I'm holding, like I say, click the link at the bottom of the page. Check out copymycrypto.com. Okay? Right, let's get into it. Ethereum. Smashed up 6% overnight. 6% in crypto land, not necessarily the biggest deal, but when you're talking about the market cap, the Ethereum has 6% is bloody significant in the same way that it would be if Bitcoin went up that much. But bigger than that, Ethereum's passed a barrier that we've been at for a while. So there are two barriers really. The first one was around here, around the $3,322. As you can see from the line that I drew, just kept hitting the line and rebounding and rebounding and rebounding. After that, we had a line of resistance. Oh, don't know what just happened there. We had a line of resistance around about the $3,400 mark from previous sort of tests. But it just smashed straight up and through. So Ethereum is actually getting really bloody exciting. And a large reason for that is this shift from proof of work to proof of stake. Now, for people that don't realize, because there's going to be a shift from proof of work to proof of stake, it actually does mean there's going to be a lot less Ethereum being issued, being released. And there is the narrative of Ethereum overtaking Bitcoin is gaining more and more strength every day because of this. Because fundamentally, moving from proof of work to proof of stake is like having a halving, like a Bitcoin having a halving. So 50,000 ETH have actually been burnt in the past 5 days. The altcoin's heading towards a supply shock. Now, Ethereum's daily issuance actually fell below Bitcoin for the first time ever yesterday, which is staggering. And like I said, the thing that everyone's anticipating, and the reason for the potential flipping, or flippening, people like to call it, right? But so the reason for the flippening of Ethereum over Bitcoin is because, or in large part because of this merge from proof of work to proof of stake. It drops the Ethereum supply, and it's the equivalent to 2 Bitcoin halvings. So a sudden plunge in supply supports the narrative of a supply shock and a triple halving event. So what that could mean is Ethereum goes absolutely parabolic. So since the actual London upgrade, we have seen, or the London hard fork, however you want to call it, we're seeing Ethereum being pulled out of circulation through burning. That is constantly happening now. As you can see, what did we say? 50,000 Ethereum have been burned in the past 5 days. So 50,000 times 3,530 bucks. It's absolutely staggering. Absolutely staggering. So you're looking at over $150 million worth of Ethereum just burned, gone forever. So in this article on FX Street, they actually talk about Ethereum surpassed the 3,400 barrier, which was a psychologically important one, For me, the bigger one was the 3,222 sort of mark, because that has been where the resistance has constantly hit. But the last level on-chain resistance is at $4,078, where over 1.5 million addresses purchased Ethereum. So 1.5 million people, or 1.5 million addresses, because that doesn't necessarily mean different people, bought Ethereum at $4,078 in like February, March. So once it hits, so that's going to be the resistance level. But once it blasts past that, make no mistake, guys, we could see Ethereum hit 5 or 6K very fast. Very, very fast. The next step really for Ethereum, realistically, is going to be around 3,800. And we'll probably see some resistance level around the $3,800 mark. But then after that, yeah, we're looking at about 4,078. That's going to be a big resistance level. But Ethereum continues to smash way above the 200-day moving average. And the Ethereum breakout looks pretty on at the moment. Realistically, if it doubles from the point that it's at, it is very close to the market cap of Bitcoin. Very, very close. Realistically, $8,000 a coin, and all of a sudden it is above Bitcoin. The flippening, I hate that name. The flippening looks inevitable. A large part of me didn't believe that would necessarily take place this year. But with the burning that's occurring, with the merge that's on its way, with the Ethereum issuance being lower than Bitcoin, with the supply shock inevitable for Ethereum, Ethereum could very well flip Bitcoin this year. Which would be incredible. Bear in mind, we still think Bitcoin should hit about 100K. So that puts it at around 1.8 trillion market cap. Ethereum to flip that, Ethereum's going to have to, and hold it, Ethereum's going to have to be north of sort of 18K. And I still think that's very doable. But yeah, huge moment for Ethereum yesterday. Really huge moment in terms of this bull cycle. It's gained some really good momentum. I do believe we're going to see a decent run on Ethereum for the next week or two now. And as a result, to be fair, there will almost certainly end up being a number of the Ethereum-based tokens that have even better runs. So your Aves, your synthetics, your compounds, your Maker, they'll all start having pretty significant runs as a result of Ethereum's run. Uniswap. So it's going to be a very, very, very interesting couple of weeks. But this bull market is on course for some record-breaking numbers this year. Hope you're all as excited as me. Anyway, yeah, that's it. What do you think is the all-time high or the max Ethereum is going to hit in this bull cycle? Put your numbers in the comments. Let me know. And if you are new to crypto or you've not been in crypto a while, you're not happy with your portfolio, not sure what to do, check out Copy My Crypto. My portfolio was built and designed for maximum gains. My gains are continuously improved. My portfolio is gaining value week on week on week on week. And we are getting such opportunities thanks to the portfolio and the way it's been created. And if you want to be a part of that and experience those opportunities as well, click on the link and check it out. Anyway, that's it from me. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.